is the front door right here. It is a pretty tall one. We come to our left and we have the open concept bathroom. Right here is the open concept closet. Couple of hangers. Then we have our little coffee machine. We do have some Bigelow tea. This is the coffee Arabica, that's decaf. And then a regular one. Little safe spots for your bags down there. The mini fridge is here in the bathroom. Pretty bright bathroom with a big mirror. Then we have these amenities for us. Body bar from Dry Bar. We have Dry Bar products, but we don't have a Dry Bar hair dryer. This is a sliding glass door. The lights in the bathroom aren't that strong, but of course we do have plenty of light. Step up to go into the shower. Little tile around there. Dry Bar products. Shower head. The closet, water closet or water section for your toilet. And then we're going to step out. The open concept closet does have a little, dust cover right here. And I guess you could put some stuff in here if need be. We come into the room portion. All the lights are on right now, I do believe. All the ceiling lights. I'll turn. There's some across the bed, but we do have a desk right here. We are overlooking the pool. Got some lights out there. I can see the gym as well, the parking lot. We have this bench. We do have a TV. It looks like it does have Netflix and whatnot on it. And here is the big king bed. This wood closet. That's the closet right there, actually. There's the bed. It's kind of one of those floating designs. Over here, we do have another table with the air conditioner under it. We also have a big amount of space right here, whatever you might want to do with that. Put some bags here or something. Also, we do have the ironing board and the iron down there. So this is the room, folks. Check on out.